Hi, I'm Teresa. I'm with Fishing Cat Group 9.
Hi, I'm Carp. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Paola.
Hi, I'm McKinley.
Hi, I'm Emmanuel.
Hi, I'm Galena.
And I'm Leanne Myers.
So, we studied the invasive Asian grass carp and the dangers of introducing a non-indigenous species to an environment and the potential negative impacts to an ecosystem without any prior study or analysis. In our video, we will demonstrate to biology students the effects the grass carp had on the ecosystem in the Great Lakes region.
Meet Regina. She's an Asian grass carp. Grass carps are a large member of the minnow family. They are olive brown on the dorsal side with silver sides and a white belly. They were imported from East Asia. They are about 125 centimeters long. Grass carps are omnivores. When they are juveniles, they eat other fish eggs. As they age, they convert to primarily being herbivores, with the exceptions based on the availability and diversity of food.
Meet Freddie, a biologist from the 1960s. She and other biologists were tasked with finding a cheap and non-chemical way to reduce microphytes in lakes and ponds. In 1963, they decided to import the Asian grass carp from East Asia and introduced them into the Arkansas region. Since grass carp eat aquatic weeds, they thought the carp would feed on the weeds in the lakes, benefiting both the lake and the carp. Unfortunately, biologists did this without thinking through or studying the potential hazards of introducing a non-indigenous species to this environment. And the grass carp ended up negatively affecting American lake and pond systems. Let's take a look at what happened to these lakes and ponds.
This is what the ponds and lakes looked like before the introduction of grass carp. Clean water, a diversity of fish and plant species, and lots of weeds that might seem a little pesky to the private pond owner or the lake swimmer. It was a healthy ecosystem. And then the grass carp were introduced.
Here's what these same environments look like a decade later. Muddy water and abundance of algal blooms, a stunning lack of species diversities, and lots of grass carp. The grass carp ate such a large quantity of the weeds in a relatively short amount of time, as well as other fish species eggs. The weeds themselves were crucial for feeding the fish and providing a location for the indigenous fish species offspring to reproduce. Another unexpected variable was that found that the grass carp can jump 3 to 5 feet and can stay out of water for a short period of time. This enabled the grass carp to invade other rivers and lakes, including the Great Lakes.
To try to counter this issue, biologists created the National Triploid Grass Carp Inspection and Certification Program. This program was an attempt to prevent grass carp from reproducing by genetically altering the fish to be infertile. These fish were called triploid grass carp. Barriers were erected in water systems across the United States to attempt to prevent further spread of the invasive grass carp.
In conclusion, biologists should have studied and analyzed the potential negative impacts and the qualities and characteristics of any non-indigenous species before blindly introducing them into an environment. The potential negative impacts to an ecosystem must be weighed against any financial or personal benefit.